Welcome to today's video. Many of us use the VK app every day to stay connected with friends, family, and communities. But sometimes we need a break from constant notifications. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Click on three dots at top right. Then, scroll down and select the Settings option. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on the Do Not Disturb feature. Finally, you can choose how long you want to pause your notifications. The options available are 1 hour, 8 hours, or 24 hours, depending on your preference. This feature is especially useful if you are studying, working, or simply want to enjoy uninterrupted time without hearing message alerts or seeing constant updates. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.